tub now. See? This is the one that I planted. Malunggay. May malunggay. It's okay now. Yeah. See my garage. This is my garage. Garage, but gym. It's clean now. Yeah. This is the gym. But I need to wipe all day. Iwa-wipe ko pa yun. So, clean na rin yung aking area. This is my area. My area where I clean.